Hey Jeff, my name is Craig. I'm Blake's friend, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "I like you, Craig, please do this for me." So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and some digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do for yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. The Google algorithms to rank you in the top of the organic listings is going to be content, and they recommend about 1,500 words to be optimized. So I ran your website here, and I ran it through SEO Quake, a tool that you can get online, and it shows that on your homepage you have 668 words. So we're falling just shy of that 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. So by doing that right away, that's going to help you boost some of those levels and jump up on the Google organic listings when I ran your car wash in Owensboro. So what I did is, you can see I just typed in car wash Owensboro, which is one of your locations according to your website. And right here, you're not in the top 3 map pack, but when I'm talking organic listings, that's going to be what's down here. So number 1 is Ollie Wash. 2, Spark Bright Car Wash, Chamois, so on and so forth. And then you're down here right at number 8. So another thing I did was I ran your competitor and your number 1 competition in the area, and that's going to be Ollie's Wash. So like I said, content is king, and although when we look at Ollie Wash, they don't have 1,500 words, the other thing that's very prevalent when I'm talking about content, and the second point I want to make, is going to be your organic keywords. So keywords are what Google, when they run their algorithms and they crawl these pages, look to see what is linked when you run a certain word. For example, car wash. If they have car wash on here more than you, then that's what's going to link them. So another tool that I like to use is called Ahrefs. And again, you can find this online, this tool. And by simply running the URL, it gives you a lot of information. So, as I said, we're looking at organic keywords. Now, you have 921, and your competitor only has 83. So you might be asking, how are they above me in this organic search if I have more than them? Well, let's take a look, because not all keywords are created equal. So I'll have you remember that what I ran in Google was car wash Owensboro. So let's look at Owensboro. They have it listed 8 times in their keywords just on this first page alone. Alright, and they have 2 pages worth of keywords. If we go back to your site and we look at your organic keywords here, and we run Owensboro, we're only going to find 1. So in short, the reason they're ranking higher on Google when I go ahead and search car wash Owensboro is going to be those organic keywords. Alright? So, the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. And it's the 3rd tool of many that I use that I want to talk about today, and that is WhiteSpark. Alright, so we can go in there and do local citation finder. And this is another thing that, again, it's a tool that you could use. It's roughly $70 a month for the full package. And what it does, you can plug that URL and you can see what citations are being used. Honestly, I don't have really anything to say except we would try to get you more citation sources, because you're already blowing away the competition. You have 42 sources, whereas Ollie Wash only has 10. So, like I said, I could go through theirs. We could pull if they have any that you don't have. And again, it's as simple as just registering. These citations are from so many different areas that they can be registered. So there's a good chance that they might have a few that you don't. And this is what's going to help you get in those top of that map pack. So they're probably just beating you in the top of the map pack based on their citations being local to the Owensboro, Kentucky area, whereas your citations, since I noticed that you're kind of in a lot of different locations, are more focused on this Bowling Green, Kentucky, and the other locations that your website is listed. So in conclusion today, We went over the 3 things that could help you build your website and your digital presence stronger to outshine your competition in the Owensboro area. That's going to be your content, getting the 1,500 words of information on this home page. Second was keywords, getting those organic keywords for the area, so adding some more keywords on there about Owensboro and Owensboro Car Wash. They have Owens Auto Detailing, Owensboro, just similar words to this, and even outbeating that by way more keywords to just make you more prevalent on that organic listing. And then citations. To optimize, we like to look at least 100 or more citations, and that's just going to boost you again, and this map pack area gets you in the top 3, because as we know, many people don't scroll past the top 3 to 5, both in organic as well as that Google map pack. So if you implement these strategies that I talked to you about today, you could easily be #1 across Google in the Owensboro area. So you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488 or simply respond to this email. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.